Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add Facebook pixel to your WordPress website. And basically Facebook pixels add a piece of code to the website using which they can measure and optimize our website traffic, and they can use this data in running Facebook ad campaign. Let me show you an example. If you are running a Facebook ad campaign and here in the traffic goals, if we select maximize number of landing page views, then Facebook use pixels to count these views. So that's why we need Facebook pixel on our website. Now let me show you how we can add this to our WordPress website. And for that I'll use my own website here. So let's go to our dashboard. And here we will add a simple free plugin. So let's go to plugins, add new, and here search for Facebook pixel. And you will see a number of plugins that you can use. And the one that I'll be using in this video is Pixel Your Website. And this is less buggy and have more features than the official plugin, okay? Just install and activate it. And the plugin is activated. You will see a new menu here, Pixel Your Site. Just click on it. And using this plugin, you can integrate Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and you can add Pinterest, Microsoft UT, and so on. If you are adding Facebook Pixel, so you can see your Meta Pixel. This was formerly Facebook Pixel, okay? Just click for settings. And make sure to enable conversion API and enable advanced matching, okay? And then scroll down. Here you will see Meta Pixel, formerly Facebook Pixel. You will need to add your Pixel ID, okay? And now to get the Pixel ID, you can just go to your Meta Facebook settings, and under the data source you will see Pixel. So this was the previous method, as we were adding Pixel here, and then we can copy its ID and then paste it over there, okay? But now they have updated their settings and they have moved this to datasets, okay? As you can see here. So just go to datasets here. And just like the previous one, we will add a dataset here, okay? Just click on it. Now you can name it. So I'll write my website name here just for reference, and we'll click create. And here you will find all your datasets. If you have more, you can also add more from here. So this is now our ID. We can just copy it and we can paste it over here. Before that, let's add people here. So I'll just click on add. I'll choose myself and we'll give it full control and assign. And people added. Let's click done. And now let's add this to our WordPress website, okay? So I'll copy it. So you can just click on it to copy it, then go back to your dashboard and paste it here. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom and click save settings. Let's check again. So here is our ID. Now let's verify it by sending some testing traffic. So let's go back to our meta settings and we will go to open events manager, and here we will set up conversion API, okay? Just click on it. So you can see set up by partner integration, set up with API gateway. We will select this partner integration, then we'll click next. You will see a number of platforms here and we will choose WordPress. By the way, if you are selling products by WooCommerce, Shopify or something else, you can select that platform and you can use their own plugins. Let's choose WordPress. This will show you the method of how you can install the plugin and how you can connect the Facebook, but we have done this, so let's click next. And here we will write our website URL to send some test traffic, okay? And then send test traffic. And this will open up our website with this URL. Let me show you. You can see Facebook ID, okay? Which means that our website is now connected. And that's it. That's how you can verify your connection. And this is now active. Let's go next. And here you can write your website URL to add an event. Like if someone buy a product, if someone fill up a form, that will count that event, okay? But we can skip this for now. And you can test it or you can just finish it, okay? And that's it. So this was how you can add Facebook pixel to your WordPress website and how you can set up conversion API. And in the next video we will be running a Facebook ad campaign for this website, so stay tuned for that. And to learn more about WordPress, you can visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. And still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.